RRB Paramedical Recruitment 2024 Notification. Railway 1376 Nursing Staff and Other Vacancy Apply Online. Important dates. Application start date. August 17, 2024. Application end date. September 16, 2024. 1 dietitian. 5 posts. 2 nursing superintendents 713 posts. 3 audiologist and speech therapist. 4 posts. 4 clinical psychologist 7 posts. 5 dental hygienist. 3 posts. 6 dialysis technician 20 posts. 7 health and malaria inspector GR3. 126 posts. 8 laboratory superintendent 27 posts. 9 perfusionist. 2 posts. 10 physiotherapist grade 2 20 posts. 11 occupational therapist 2 posts. 12 cath laboratory technician 2 posts. 13 pharmacist entry grade 246 posts. 14 radiographer X-ray technician 64 posts. 15 speech therapist 1 post. 16 cardiac technician 4 posts. 17 optometrist 4 posts. 18 ECG technician 13 posts. 19 laboratory assistant grade 2 94 posts. 20 field worker 19 posts. Grand total 1376 posts. Recruitment process. 1. Computer-based test CBT. 2. Document verification. 3. Medical examination.